Yo, what's good, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. It's been a couple days. Uh, Back making another video, keeping you guys posted of what's going on. And this is how I made $34,000 trading the NASDAQ between Asia session and New York session. So let's get into it. Coming into Asia session, what were we looking at? So let's see. We'll go 15 minutes. It might be a little easier to see. So open Asia session. We open up here. We already tapped into this 15-minute gap. ES did the same. ES came, let's see, where's 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 8 o'clock. Where is it? Oh, Tuesday. No. Where is it? Tuesday at 6 p.m. Sorry, I'm losing it. All right. Tuesday at 6 p.m. came up. Didn't really necessarily. Did it tap? No, it didn't tap. So came into that gap nearly, made some highs here. NQ as well had already tapped into its 15-minute gap here. Tapped into it, rejected pretty hard. Then we have a minor daily bullish gap here. Don't mind all the New York session stuff going on. A little daily gap here. So now we'll scale back down. Cool. So we tapped into the daily gap. We also have a bunch of liquidity here. This is more low resistance liquidity than this one here. I didn't really think that was a relevant low. So I was happy taking it, just sweeping these two, and then wicking off the gap. So we took the trade based off of. Let's see. Can I turn my executions on? Execution marks. Good. Oh, okay. I lied. Here's the trade actually. So we got in on this candle. Stops were at this low. And then where was our take profit? Take profit was right there. Let's move this over to accurately fit it. Good. Okay, so this trade was a 127.4 RR. Insane trade off of Asia session. Asia's been moving super clean, so much better than New York session. New York session's clean at times, but it's just extremely volatile. So why we took this trade, we swept these lows here, swept this low, came into this daily gap. We ended up inverting this candle here. Well, I guess technically we really got in based off this candle once we inverted this 1 minute gap here. So we got in there, break even was at this high, and then we pretty much just rode it all the way up. I was pretty confident in this trade because of all this LRL. On this side, just extremely low resistance. I wanted to take it all the way up to here, but that was a bit charitable. So I was confident taking my profits here. These highs just seemed a little bit too distant. I do think that we come up in the next couple of days and take out all of this liquidity here just because there's so many stacked highs. And these highs. We'll have to see how we react off of all of this. Yeah, so that was the first trade. Took that with one mini. I took that on only my 5 Lucid accounts. So that's what put me up there. And then coming into this morning, we took this trade. So I took this trade on my 5 Lucids and my 5 top steps. My top steps were not ready last night, or else I would have taken the same trade on the top steps. So I actually rewinded back into that. So after I took that last 18K payout, I went on tilts, blew those accounts, unfortunately. But we're back. We got a fresh stack. We got 5 Lucid, 5 Top Step, and I have one more day to pass my 5 Tradeify daily payout accounts. So hopefully either tonight or tomorrow we're able to get that last day, and then we'll be funded on those as well. So we will see. Though that would be really nice to have some daily payout accounts. But yeah. So coming into the day today, honestly, I didn't expect this much of a dump at New York session open. This is kind of wild. especially with all this liquidity here. I really thought that we were going to maybe come down, tap into like this 1 hour gap here, and then like sweep, boom, take those highs, but nah. New York had a different idea. New York completely just dumped right through that gap. Anyways, we dumped right through that gap. We came down. We swept Asia session low. Boom, swept Asia session low, and then took this final low, and we also tapped into the 0.618 of my fib from this 4 hour. Where is it? From this 4 hour low to this 4 hour high. Wait, is it 4 hours? What was it? Yes, from this low to this high, just because we already rebalanced out this late. And this price action is a little funky here, so this was just the cleanest it looked. So boom, we tapped into all of that. There we go, look at that. We tapped into all of this 0.618. We kind of chopped around here a little bit. I didn't want to take anything here. And then we finally just inverted this gap. Boom, inverted, got in. Almost got stopped out, but we completely just turned around and ripped to this next high. And that was pretty much our trades. That's what's put us up a total of $34,000. So we're up almost nearly 4K on these 5 Lucid accounts. And then on my Top Step accounts, we are nearly up 2,800 per account times 5 accounts. So absolutely great trading day. Hopefully we can just farm up the next couple profitable days and take a big payout. That's the goal. Probably not going to be anything too crazy for the next couple days. Going to play it nice and safe, and hopefully by next Tuesday we'll have a nice payout. We shall see, God willing. It's been real, guys. Talk to you guys soon. If anything changes, I'll keep you updated, but it's pretty much it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.